put a thumb up and subscribe.
Out from the Heart by James Allen is a collection of essays and inspirational writings that explore various aspects of personal development, ethics, and spiritual growth. While the book doesn't have structured lessons, it offers profound insights and guidance on living a purposeful and meaningful life. I'll break down some key themes and concepts from the book, along with examples and explanations. 1. The power of thought. Your thoughts shape your reality and determine your actions and outcomes. When you maintain a positive mindset and believe in your abilities, you are more likely to take constructive actions and achieve success in your endeavors. 2. The importance of character. Your character, ethics, and values define your true worth and influence your interactions with others. Being honest and trustworthy in your dealings with others builds a strong character. This, in turn, fosters trust and respect in your relationships and interactions. 3. Overcoming adversity. Life is filled with challenges, but your response to adversity defines your character and future. When faced with setbacks or failures, maintaining a resilient attitude and learning from your mistakes can lead to personal growth and future success. Before we continue, welcome to Short Version, where we draw out the key concepts from each book published on the channel, in order to approach life in its many aspects from a greater perspective. Please take the time to thumbs up to support the channel and to subscribe for more content. Have a great listening. 4. Self-reliance and responsibility. You are responsible for your own life and happiness. Self-reliance and taking ownership of your choices are key to personal growth. By acknowledging your own power to make choices and take actions, you can shape your destiny and create the life you desire. 5. Compassion and empathy. Compassion and empathy for others are expressions of your inner goodness and contribute to a harmonious and fulfilling life. Simple acts of kindness, such as helping a neighbor in need or supporting a friend during difficult times, demonstrate your compassion and enrich your relationships. 6. The pursuit of inner peace. Inner peace is the result of aligning your thoughts, actions, and values with your true self. Regular meditation and self-reflection practices can help you find inner peace by connecting with your innermost thoughts and values. 7. The power of gratitude. Gratitude for what you have in the present moment leads to contentment and attracts more positive experiences into your life. Keeping a gratitude journal and regularly writing down the things you're thankful for can enhance your sense of well-being and attract more reasons to be grateful. Out from the Heart by James Allen offers timeless wisdom on various aspects of life and personal development. By embracing the concepts presented in the book and applying them in your daily life, you can cultivate a more fulfilling, purpose-driven, and ethical existence. Don't hesitate to leave a comment about a book you'd like to see published. You can also contribute to the channel's growth by making a donation, and while you're waiting for the next audio, don't forget. Knowledge is nothing without understanding, which is nothing without application. Look forward to seeing you soon on the channel, Short Version.
Perfect.